Today, I'll be going over the importance of preventive care for your pet or pets. Preventive care is one of the most important things you can do as a pet owner to make sure your pets are going to live the happiest and healthiest life possible for as long as possible. Believe it or not, a lot of pet owners don't take their pets to the vet to be seen unless they see some sign of illnesses, which in most cases, not all, they could have been avoided completely if they were given the proper care beforehand. There are a lot of things as a pet owner you can do at home to make sure you're practicing this without taking them to the vet, but the one I can't stress enough about is making sure your dog or cat is being seen annually for a wellness exam. This usually consists of checking vital signs, listening to their heart and lungs. They'll also check their muscle tone and joint flexibility. They'll get their weight. They'll check their skin, mouth, ears, eyes, nose, everything. They'll also do blood work to make sure they're not positive for things such as heartworms. A lot of times there are concerns for your pet's health that you wouldn't have been aware of before the visit. Small things such as weight gain can be signs of disease processes. Secondly, pets need to be caught up on vaccines and given preventive medicines regularly. Vaccines help them to fight future infections from disease-causing agents. As far as preventive medicine goes, there's heartworm preventative, there's flea and tick medicine that's given once a month. These medicines help prevent certain illnesses that are contagious to your pets that, if not taken care of properly, can lead to serious illnesses down the road. Another way to practice preventive care is to make sure your pets are getting dentals annually. And the older the pet, the more important it is. If not taken care of, your pet could get gingivitis, periodontal disease, oral cancer, and it can also affect the organs such as the heart. If your cat or dog were to get an abscess of the tooth, it could cause infection, and the infection will make your animal very sick. Animals have a very high tolerance to pain, so if you may never know that they have an issue with their mouth unless you're giving them regular dentals. Lastly, something you can do at home for your pet is to make sure they are receiving the correct nutrition and the proper exercise. Nutrition will be based on the weight of your dog, the health and the age. There's a lot of food out there that is advertised all the time, but in most cases it's not healthy for them at all. Make sure to consult with your vet so they can lead you down the right road in choosing the correct food, and the healthier pet and everything will determine how much they need. And also, exercise is a big one. It needs to be done on a regular basis, whether it's walking them when you get home from work or playing fetch in the yard. Something counts. Anything's better than nothing. Dogs and cats can easily become obese, which can lead to diseases such as heart disease. That's why this is very important in your pet's life, to keep them healthy. I hope after watching this video you have realized the importance of preventive care for your pets. Remember, vets and vet techs are not there to just take care of sick animals. They're there to prevent them from getting sick. And that is one of their goals, is to make sure they prevent them from getting sick. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment.